Kelloggs has an offer right now where if you buy a participating product, they will give you a 14 or 30-day Xbox Game Pass Ultimate code. Pop-Tarts, Pringles, and Cheez-Its, right? This is like the holy trinity of stuff you should never be sticking in your body. Just don't do this, folks. My tip is you can play
not
Xbox.
to do this.
Previously on TWiT. This week in Google.
Biden signs executive order to address chip shortage through a review to strengthen supply chains.
For those of you who are not just riveted by the chip industry, there has been a huge shortage of semiconductors. People actually can't make cars right now because they don't have enough.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Silicon.
Yeah.
Hands-on tech.
This week, I'm actually able to take a look at this camera right here, the Sony A7C. Ooh, boy, have quite a bit to say about this camera.
Windows Weekly.
The stupidest folder in all of Windows is going to be removed in the future, and that folder is 3D objects.
They finally give it up.
I've always why on earth?
That dates back to when they were going to use HoloLens for consumer stuff.
So you see, we did have breaking news at the top of the show.
TWiT.
You guys are screwing around with this nonsense about the Federal Reserve, and I was looking at the important issues of the day.